Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The most futuristic ultra-thin flagship, the iPhone Air 2, release date and new upgrades are revealed online. According to new preliminary data, the second-generation iPhone Air is still scheduled to be unveiled in the fall. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple has changed its mind. The iPhone Air 2 has been in a rare state of chaos for Apple in recent months. Some sources claimed the project was frozen, others hinted at a delay until 2027, and still others doubted the Air lineup would be continued altogether. But now, a new insider has emerged, who directly contradicts previous rumors and restores the intrigue. According to Chinese insider Fixed Focus Digital, Apple will unveil the iPhone Air 2 as early as 2026 and not sometime later, but at its traditional fall presentation in September. That is, in the company's usual format, alongside its flagship models. This statement contradicts previous reports by The Information. One report claimed that Apple notified engineers and partners that the next iPhone Air was being pulled from the schedule, without specifying a new time frame. Literally the next day, a clarification emerged that the company was internally discussing a redesigned version of the iPhone Air, with dual cameras and a possible release in the spring of 2027. Against this backdrop, Fixed Focus Digital's insider report looks like an attempt to wipe the slate clean. According to him, the iPhone Air successor has been confirmed and is being prepared for a fall announcement. Moreover, he also confirmed another anticipated release. The iPhone 17e, according to him, has already entered mass production and will be unveiled in the spring, as was the case with the iPhone 16e. As for the iPhone Air 2 itself, it should address the main complaints about the first generation. It was previously reported that Apple had resumed redesigning the device and was considering two major changes. The first is a second camera, which the original Air sorely lacked. This is likely either a telephoto lens or an ultra-wide-angle module. The second is a price reduction, as the starting price of the first version was questionable given the limitations of the battery, audio, and cameras. The iPhone 17e is reportedly an evolutionary update to the 16e. It's expected to feature a new C1X modem and a glass back panel with support for magnetic wireless charging, a feature users have been missing. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.